The Victa robot mower operates inside a defined area as set out by this perimeter wire. It starts here at the base station, goes in a continuous loop around the area to be mowed, and then comes back to the base station. This serves a couple of purposes. It gives us a defined area that the robot mower is going to operate inside of, kind of like keeping cattle inside an electric fence, but it also provides the guide for the mower to come back to the base station once it's completed its task to dock and recharge. Before you do your setup, you're going to actually have to use a regular mower to cut the grass. Not only does this set the height for your robot mower, but it also assists you in setting up and laying out your perimeter wire. It needs 240 volt power, but what you cannot do is have the power cable running across the path of where the robot mower is going to be cutting the grass. So consider if you've got an external power source. If not, you may have to get an electrician in to set one out for you, or alternatively look at running cable to support where you're going to put the base station for the robot mower. The most important part to note when you're setting up your Victa RM100 robot mower is that you must use this guide. It's 40 centimetres in length, and that's because there's a sensor inside the robot mower at approximately 20 centimetres that's going to actually define where it sets itself on the perimeter wire. Once you use the guide at 40 centimetres in from the edge, it means that the robot mower is not going to go past its sensor and hit anything potentially that's on the other side of the perimeter wire. Once you've figured out where you're going to mount your base station, it's important that we connect the perimeter wire to it. And what you have to do in the first instance is take some of the green sheath off the perimeter wire, obviously exposing the naked cable underneath. Make sure that you give that a twist around so we have a nice, neat, non-frayed connection. And this goes into the red connector on the base station, just like so, making sure that we've got a nice firm metal to metal connection, because we're now going to move forward and loop this in an anti-clockwise method around the area that the robot mower is going to operate in. Another really important consideration when you're pegging down your perimeter wire is that at no time can you cross the perimeter wire back over itself. If you do that, you're going to create confusion within the robot mower. It's going to think it's outside of its perimeter wire and it's going to go into fault mode. As you're preparing to install your perimeter wire, there's no need to roll it right out around the whole loop of the area that you want to do. Just roll out a bit at a time and peg it down as you go. Now the important part here is that everything that we need to do when we're putting down the perimeter cable is in nice gentle loops, because the robot mower cannot go in and out of a 90-degree angle.